vast theater of our solar system, one actor commands the stage: Jupiter. Named after the ancient god of storms, Jupiter is a place filled with storms. But we're not talking about just any storms. There are even storms bigger than Earth. Its gravity has shaped our cosmic neighborhood for billions of years. To look upon Jupiter is to witness power on a scale almost beyond comprehension. We leave behind Earth, heading toward the striped giant that has dominated our night sky for all of human history. The king awaits, and it has many stories left to tell. Let us begin.
Revelarium.
Jupiter is more than a giant planet. It's a world where physics is pushed to the limit. With no solid surface, it's a layered globe of gas, growing denser and hotter the deeper you go. Its gravity, 2.5 times Earth's, drives its spectacular features and stirs its atmosphere into bands and colossal storms. Jupiter generates more heat than it receives from the sun, fueling a self-sustaining system of violent weather. Its magnetic field creates radiation belts thousands of times more intense than Earth's, forming a deadly invisible barrier. After a long journey we approach. From here we see it as a giant static ball, and with the naked eye, we can see the violent clouds surrounding it. From here we can see the horizontal lines around it. We call these lines zones, and they move in a very turbulent way due to the violent winds of their atmosphere. However, another extremely dangerous event surrounds this giant planet. A terrible radiation belt loaded with lethal particles, which makes it very difficult to approach it. To give us an idea, only the radiation environment of the Sun exceeds that of Jupiter.
To understand Jupiter, we travel back 4.5 billion years, to the birth of our solar system. In the cold outer regions of the solar nebula, a small core of rock and ice formed, Jupiter's sea. Once massive enough, it pulled in vast amounts of hydrogen and helium, growing rapidly and dominating the outer solar system. Jupiter's gravity cleared its orbital path, hoarding material left by the sun. But the young giant was not stationary. It began a great migration, drifting inward toward the sun. This journey was cataclysmic, as Jupiter's gravity swept through a region where early super-Earths may have formed, destroying or scattering them. The inner solar system was wiped clean by the passage of the giant. Jupiter, the guardian we know today, began its life as a destroyer. Its migration set the stage for a new generation of planets to form. The architecture of our solar system was forever changed by this wandering giant. Jupiter's story is one of immense power and cosmic transformation. Its journey shaped the worlds that followed. The king's tale is written in the orbits of every planet. Jupiter's destructive migration was a new beginning. As it moved, it herded rock and debris into a concentrated band, the raw material for new worlds. From this debris, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars emerged children of a second generation. Without Jupiter's migration, our solar system might have been filled with super-Earths, not small rocky planets like our own. After its inward journey, interactions with Saturn reversed Jupiter's course, sending it outward to its current position. This outward migration scattered debris, creating the asteroid belt, a fossil record of planet formation. Jupiter's gravity prevented these rocks from forming another planet, leaving a monument to its power. The solar system's architecture was set. Jupiter had destroyed one family of planets and allowed another to be born. Our existence is tied to this ancient violent dance. The very ground beneath our feet was shaped by Jupiter's immense gravity. The king is not just a distant neighbor, it is part of our origin story. Jupiter's influence is written in every rocky world.
We are going deeper into Jupiter in our ship. From here we can better appreciate the chaotic environment of the planet. At its poles, vast auroras shimmer, hundreds of times more powerful than Earth's. These lights are fueled not just by the sun, but by Io, Jupiter's volcanic moon. Io spews sulfur and oxygen, forming a plasma torus swept up by Jupiter's magnetic field. As Jupiter spins, it drags this plasma, creating electrical currents that power the auroras. Trillions of watts of energy flow between Io and Jupiter, lighting up the poles in a continuous, ghostly display. It's a direct electrical connection, a hidden ocean of charged particles made visible as light. The volcanic heart of a tiny moon fuels a light show that could swallow Earth. This is the dynamic, interconnected Jovian system. Jupiter's atmosphere is a symphony of storms. Winds howl at over 600 kilometers per hour. These storms are permanent, driven by rapid rotation and internal heat. The Great Red Spot, a high-pressure anticyclone, has raged for centuries, large enough to swallow Earth. Juno has revealed stunning cyclones at the poles, arranged in geometric patterns, with winds of up to 685 kilometers per hour, superbolts illuminating a realm of eternal twilight. On Jupiter, lightning forms in clouds of water and ammonia, unlike anything on Earth. Since Jupiter does not have a solid surface, we cannot speak about its surface temperature, but it is estimated to be around 145 degrees below zero. It is a hostile, alien sky, a place of perpetual storm. Jupiter's weather is a masterpiece of chaos and order. This is the living, breathing heart of the king.
Our final descent begins. There is no surface, only an endless fall through denser layers of atmosphere. Pressure and temperature rise rapidly as we pass through ammonia and water ice clouds. The air is mostly hydrogen and helium, the same elements as the sun. Soon, hydrogen gas is compressed into a vast ocean of liquid hydrogen, thousands of kilometers deep. Here, the physics are extreme, a state of matter found in few places in the universe. Deeper still, the pressure strips electrons from hydrogen, creating a swirling ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen. This metallic layer generates Jupiter's immense magnetic field, the engine room of the giant. The churning metallic ocean powers the auroras, radiation belts, and the planet's influence on space. We can go no further. The conditions are beyond anything we can survive. Deep inside the king, hydrogen behaves in the most uncommon of ways. This is the heart of Jupiter.
In Jupiter's deep atmosphere, lightning creates soot that falls and is compressed into diamonds. These diamonds rain down through the hydrogen sea, melting into a liquid diamond ocean in the planet's depths. A world where precious gems fall like rain. A treasure forever beyond our reach. Let us pull back, returning to our vantage point in space. We have seen Jupiter's storms, auroras, and hidden oceans. We have journeyed through its violent past and extreme present. Now we see Jupiter as a system, a force of nature and a cosmic shield. Its gravity acts as a vacuum cleaner, sweeping up asteroids and comets that might threaten Earth. For billions of years, Jupiter has protected us, taking impacts that could have sterilized our world. While its early life was destructive, its mature existence is one of protection. We may owe our very existence to this distant giant. Our safe blue world thrives under the watchful eye of this stormy king. Our journey to Jupiter ends, but the cosmos is filled with wonders yet to explore. The question is not if we will explore again, but where we will go next. The choice, as always, is yours. May the cosmos be with you.